Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about a situation many of us face, needing a little extra cash. Maybe it's a surprise car repair, a dream vacation on the horizon, or even that down payment on a house. Whatever the reason, borrowing money can feel like the only option. But what about Wealthsimple? With all their investing and saving features, can they actually help you borrow in a pinch? The answer, unfortunately, is no. Wealthsimple isn't a bank and doesn't offer traditional loan services. They focus on helping you grow your wealth, not access short-term credit. Hold on, don't hit unsubscribe just yet. This might not be the answer you wanted, but there's still a lot Wealthsimple can do, and knowing your options is key. Let's explore some alternatives and see how Wealthsimple can still be part of your financial strategy, even when borrowing is on the table. First, consider the type of loan you need. A small, short-term loan might be best handled differently than a larger sum for a long-term goal. Small, short-term needs. Friends and family, sometimes, the simplest solution is the closest. Borrowing from a trusted loved one can be a great option, as long as terms and expectations are clear beforehand. Line of credit. A line of credit from your bank acts like a flexible credit card, allowing you to access funds as needed and only pay interest on what you use. Larger, long-term needs. Personal loan. These loans from banks or credit unions offer a fixed amount and interest rate for a set repayment period. Home equity loan/line of credit. If you own a home, tapping into its equity can provide access to funds at potentially lower interest rates. Here's the kicker: no matter which route you choose, having a solid financial foundation is crucial. This is where Wealthsimple shines. Let's say you're considering a personal loan. By using Wealthsimple to invest and build your savings, you improve your creditworthiness, potentially qualifying for a lower interest rate on the loan. Think of it like this: the stronger your financial position, the better the loan terms you'll be offered. This can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. Wealthsimple can also be a fantastic tool to manage your debt repayment. Setting up automatic contributions to your investment or savings account ensures you stay on track and frees up funds for loan payments. Remember, borrowing should be a strategic decision. Wealthsimple can't directly give you a loan, but it can be a powerful tool to prepare for borrowing and manage your finances effectively once you do. So, while Wealthsimple itself may not be your borrowing buddy, it can definitely be your financial wingman. Utilize their investment and saving tools, build your financial strength, and approach any borrowing with a well-informed strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing your financial goals.